we went camping. This weighs like 10 of you. Right, you hyped, bro. You hyped. He's hyped. Doctor's where we are going. Hold on. She can't get the gate open. Let's go! Yo, we found some enchantment stones, some magic stones from Skyrim. What the hell? What the hell? My stealth has gone up, Scarlet. Huh? We're having a little break. Appa is doing what Appa does best, and whatever that is, whatever this is, he's doing it anyway. Oh, what is he eating? Oh my god, this is painful.
Oh, thank you.
Where's Big G? Some man don't like oranges. Well, I mean, completely submerged. I mean, into some deep water, like muddy. Yeah, he couldn't get out himself. This is soaked. His little backpack. Luckily, there's nothing important in there that could be damaged. So I'm taking this off. Gypsy's okay. We have made it to the summit. Jersey Summit. Here we are. Here we are. Now that's epic. Yeah.
Mama's gone.
Oh, you can see the reservoir. That's sick.
Is your phone on hand?
Yeah.
Can I take pictures?
Yeah. So here we are, the tent has been completed. It is a feat of engineering, and our brilliance and our intelligence is displayed for everyone. Appa, come here, say hi. Appa, say hi to the camera. Look, say hi to the camera. Gypsy, say hi to the camera, look. They're both very interested. So, we're letting the hounds have a bit of a run round whilst Scarlett sets up the tent.
That's funny.
It's so pretty here. What's your opinion on this apps? Appa says it's good. Good boy. Ready, Gypsy? Ready? Go on, Gypsy! Come on, get it! You missed out. You're just too stupid. Your dog's dumb, Scarlett. We've had a big day. We are here, just made tea. Appa's there as well. Gypsy's absolutely. What a lovely view there. Whilst eating the tea. Right, so you're probably wondering, how the hell do you cook when you're out camping? You boil everything. Everything that can be boiled, you boil. As you can see, this is severely unclean because we got lazy and we didn't clean it. Grab your pot of choice. This is mine. I don't know what it's called, but it's a pot, so you know, get used to it. You take the you take the top of the water. I was just showing you what not to do, and then you just wait. You literally just wait until the water boils. You'll be able to hear it boiling, and then you know. Appa's confused. I don't know whether you can actually see Appa, but he's there. He's probably. You might be able to just see him peeking over. Whilst you're waiting for it to boil, you should always put this inside there. Now, because of the size of the mug, I'm not going to be using all of it. It is boiling. And that is how you boil water. The temperature's definitely dropping now. Now that the sun's going down. Appa's still buzzing. We're now vibing in the tent. Got the sun setting.
Do you film my phone?
That'll be funny.
Not so funny.
So yeah, vibing. We're eating sweeties, and it's nice. It's getting dark now. It is 8:15. The sun's set. Appa's looking hella cute in his sleeping bag. Scarlett's getting comfy. And we're just gonna chill for a bit. Alright. We are going to go to sleep now. There's Gypsy. There's Appa. I'm going to sleep. Appa wants to sleep next to me. So yeah, we're about to sleep. And yeah. See you in the morning. Gypsy's out of here.
Appa went out the other.
Today's forecast is cold. Like it is really cold. Bitterly cold. So yeah, I might get a coffee on now, try and warm me up a bit, and then hopefully we'll be after. We've got the tent away now, so I didn't film any of it. It's bitterly cold, so we wanted to do it quickly. Scott forgot her gloves, so we've been pretty much switching mine and hers. Appa is there. Gypsy is cold, so we need to start walking to warm the hounds up. It's got lighter. It seems like the cloud is shifting. You can see it. And yeah, Scarlett is a bit cold, so we need to get moving. That's what we're gonna do. That's the plan, Gypsy. How does it sound? She jumped, so that's good. Yeah, let's do it. You can see this, but we're here at the minute, and we have to go all the way down there, past Kinderlow, round. We gotta go through Jacob's Ladder again. Then we're gonna go a different way. We're gonna go past the wall packs and around Slough Knoll to get back to Edale, where I parked. So that's the plan. Hopefully it goes well. Yeah. come out of the fog, we've come out of the cloud. So Edale's just down there, you can actually see it. So it's pretty much just there. Walk a bit further to, there's the cars parked that bit further down. And then that's basically it.